How to make strawberry Swiss roll. Sieve the cake flour, add baking powder, and then salt. Then set aside. Beat egg whites with a tin of tartar and 1.5 cup of sugar, then gradually and continue beating until stiff but not dry. And then set aside. Bake egg yolks and add 1 cup of sugar, and then add water, vanilla, lemon extract, and then blend it well. Fold beaten egg whites into the batter, blend it thoroughly. Pour into a greasy jelly roll pan lined with wax paper. Bake it for 20 to 25 minutes. Invert immediately in a clean towel and add the strawberry jam in the top. On a clean towel, sprinkle with confectionery sugar and broil.